Hi there, my name is 𝐓𝐮𝐥𝐢𝐯. I'm one of the sales managers at Optiven Group, and I'm delighted because I'm standing here at Tulivu Gardens Phase 3, Konza. You know, we talked about various properties in Konza, and many people missed out on precious gardens. They missed out on Peace Breeze, and now we did Tulivu Gardens Phase 1, 2 sold out, and even now Phase 3 sold out. So today we decided to tour the project, see how it is faring. As you know, it has been raining. We wanted to see how the project is, and you can see it is well-drained property. There is a lot of greenery, and actually we are only 2 kilometers from Mombasa Highway. You're only 6 kilometers from the Konza Technopolis and 3 kilometers from Malili Shopping Center. So, if you already bought this project, we are telling you, come and build now. And unfortunately, if you missed out, don't worry. We have other available properties. Check out this video.
Hi there, my name is Dr. 𝐔𝐩𝐝𝐿. I am here to present to you a wonderful place you can build a retirement home. Where else other than Ocean View Ridge, Vipingo by Optiven? This property is well manicured. You have a perimeter wall. We are doing a swimming pool. We just concluded a beautiful entry gate. Only 2 miles to the ocean. Do you want to retire in the coastal region? The best property ever with Optiven. Don't be late.